Chapter 3, Problems of the Day. 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 3.1, How to add decimals. In this problem, we'll be doing -5 and 62 hundredths plus -12 and 9/10. We first start off by lining up the decimals. You can add zeros as a placeholder. Start off by putting the decimal place there and adding 2 plus 0, which is 2. 6 plus 9, which is 15. We carry the 1 over and we add it. 5 plus 1 is 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. I put a negative sign. Then we circle our answers. How to subtract decimals 3.1. In this problem, we'll be doing 15 and 39 hundredths minus 2 and 9/10. We start by still lining up the decimals. We can add 0 for a placeholder still. Subtract. We do 9 minus 0, which is 9. And 3 minus 9 we can't do, so we must carry the number. 13 minus 9 is 4. Add the decimal. 4 minus 2 is 2. And we bring down the 1. And we circle our answer. 3.2, How to multiply decimals. In this problem, we're going to be multiplying 4.02 times 0.7. In multiplication, you do not have to line up the decimals. Personally, I like to put the bigger number on top. Then we multiply, so 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 0 is 0, but there is a 1, so we'll add 1 in. Then do 7 times 4 is 28. Now, there's 2 placeholders. Actually, no, there's 3, sorry. That's another one. Then, so we do 2 plus 1. Which equals 3. Then we move 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So our answer is going to be 2.814. Circle your answers, and that should be the correct answer. 3.3, How to divide decimals. In this problem, we'll be doing 1.6 divided by 0.2. So we start off with 1.06 divided by 0.2. So we have to move the arrow like this and move the decimal place. Then we gotta do the same thing like that. So then we get erase this real quick. Then we get 0 or 2. 2. divided by 10.6. I'm going to put a decimal place right here. So 2 goes in 10 5 times. 10, 0. Bring down the 6. 2 goes in 6 3 times. We get our answer, 5.3. 3.4, how to solve equations containing decimals. In this problem, we're doing W minus 5.8 equals 1.2. So we do we do copy it down, the 5.8, add plus. Then we cancel it out, then we add 5.8. Then we add, which is 10 to 7 point. So W equals 7. And that's your answer. This one we're doing K plus 3.91 equals 28.00. We're going to do K plus 3.91 equals 28.00. Okay, so in addition problems you have to subtract, so minus 3.19. We cancel that out, then we do 3.91 minus. Then we do the math. So you can't do 0 minus 1 or 0 minus 9. So you have to borrow. So it's 7. Okay, then we do, that's 9. 0.42. There you go. So that's your answer. K equals 24.09. Next I'm doing 1.2 times y equals 1.44. So in multiplication, we're going to use division to cancel it out. Equals 1.44. So we divide by itself, cancel out. So 1.2 divided. So let's do 1.44 divided by 1.2. Move the decimal place over 1 and do the same to the other side. So then we got 12 and 144. So 12 can go into 14 once. So that's, it was 2 left over. And bring down the 4. That can go twice. So make sure you put your decimal place down. So y equals 1.2. So in this problem, we're doing n divided by 8.2 equals negative 0.6. So we're going to do times it's 8.2 to times itself. Do the same over here. Because different signs is going to be a negative. So we do 0.6, 8.2, that's 12, 2, 0, that's 1, and down that. And it's 48, and 8 times 0, 0 plus 4. So we add that, it's 2, 9, 4. And there's 2 decimal places, so you do 1 plus 1, equals 2. 1, 2. It's 4.92 equals n. And make sure you make it negative. That's your answer. 3.5. How to add fractions. This problem we're doing 6 fifteenths plus 3 fifteenths. They both have common denominators, so we'll just do 6 plus 3, which equals 9. We don't have to add the fractions. The denominators. So we'll just put 9 over 15. And that should be your answer. 3.5. How to subtract fractions. So we have to find a common denominator. So we're going to use one of the methods that helps us find the least common denominator. or multiple. So it'd be 24 and 2. We'll start by using 24. Then we'll do 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 24. We see that 24 is actually similar to 24 also. So we'll be doing 1/2 times equals 24. And 12 times 2 equals 24. So we do 12 up there too, and that will equal 12 over 24. So we'll subtract, so 21 minus 12.
We can't just do this because we don't
That will equal,
we need to find the LCD.
11. So 21 minus 12 is
We
9.
know 2 can go into 24.
So we do 9 over 24.
24.
But that's not the least that's not the in simplest form. So we'll be doing 9 over 24 divided by 3 over 3. We'll erase this because we don't need that.
40. Okay.
Divided by 3.
And that's still there, so we're just
So 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes to 24 8 times. So our overall answer will be 3/8.
Okay. So
And that should be the answer.
how many times is that? No one really knows. It was 12 times. Okay.
3.6. How to multiply fractions. This problem we're doing 1/4 times negative 2/5. So we start off by writing it out. You don't have to put the negative sign. And 2 can cancel out 4 once. So 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 4 twice. And that will equal 1, 10. And that should be your answer. 3.7. How to divide fractions. This problem we'll be doing 3/4 divided by 6/7. So first we have to keep the same number, first fraction. Then we just add a multiplication sign or that will die. Then we got flip subtraction up like the reciprocal. Then we do the math. Actually no, sorry, we do put these 3.37. And we can cancel out one number. 3 goes in 3 once. 3 goes into 6 twice. So we do 7 over 8. So 7/8. That should be your answer. 3.8. How to solve equations containing fractions. This equation we're doing m plus 1/6 equals 5/6. So we do minus 1/6. We do the same over here, so this cancels out. That will equal 4/6. And m equals 4/6, but we can simplify it
And then you just have to subtract. So
into 2/3.
5 minus 1 is 4.
In this problem, we're doing n minus 1/5 equals 3/5. So we'll be doing 1/5 adds up, but we cancel that out. Then we do 1/5 to 3/5. And that That should equal 4/5. In this one, I'm doing 1/5. X equals times X equals 4. So we do make it the reciprocal. That cancels out. Then we do 4/1 times 5/1. And that should, that should equal 20/1, which is 20. X equals 20. We do 6/1 times Y equals 1/2. So we do the reciprocal of 6/1. Again, it cancels out. Do it over here. Then we multiply. So equal 1/12. This Explain Everything is by Hobie Sudbury.